Vanakkam, Namaskara, Namaste. Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, we will learn the function DMAX. As in my earlier videos, I told you D stands for database. So it will find the maximum value, the highest value from a database list. Let's understand with an example. Here we have a sales figure for various products like tea, coffee, chocolate, almond for regions for the various months. And here is the total. So what this max function does is brings out the or pulls up the highest value from the database for the criteria what we specify. To understand, let's work with the formula. I see equals to dmax, open the bracket, and the database we need to select. So this is our database. So I've selected the complete database from B2 to H18. Now, comma, second argument is the field. Field from where we want the highest value. So we want highest value from the field total, which is in H. So I'll select total H2. Yeah. Then comma and the criteria. Criteria is oh, which one we want. We want chocolate, and chocolate is in sales groups. So we have here predefined the header. The group is sales group and record is chocolate. So we need to select this. So this will be our criteria. Wherever it finds sales chocolate in sales group, it will find the highest value amongst them. Yeah. So let's close and enter. Here if you see it's 24 lakh 99,851. Here we can see there are four chocolate records, and among them this particular record, yes, which is in H10 for Bangalore. The highest amount is here 24 lakh 99,851. Let's check for Chennai overall region, all the sales group. So we'll say tsum, open bracket, the database, and we select comma the field we want from the total. Even if you want from November or December, you can select this, but I'll take total because I want the total figure, which is the maximum. So that will be our field. I put comma, and the criteria is from region. From region, it picks up the region Chennai. So I give this criteria and close. It picks out 82 lakh 55,796, the highest sale figure for Chennai. Let's do for Hyderabad to understand. Let's look for Hyderabad. So we'll put DSM, sorry, DMAX, open bracket, the database from where we want the total. So comma and the range. Sorry, criteria. So region from Hyderabad. Close the bracket to get the maximum, the highest value. So coffee, let's see. So DSum, DMAX from the database. Select the database from where we want to have the total. Fail, comma, and the criteria. So you get the highest sales figure of coffee. This is how we do DMAX. I hope you like this video. I'll see you next video. Until then, it's bye from Saravanan Jairam.